La da la dee da la da dee da.
Oh, this sounds good. I wonder what it would sound like if you both sang together.
Wanna give it a go, Harriet?
Okay then.
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, it's so beautiful. Their voices and the echoes. It's like a magical choir. Maddie, the moat is starting to fill up. It's so pretty.
The water feels so nice.
"'Tis nice for now, but I've seen many's the castle crumble into that there sea."
We built this castle from water and sand. It's the finest castle in all the land. We built this castle from water and sand, all for Sailor Nancy.
From seashells we made the windows with the feather in the dirt like a flag. When the wind blows seashells, we made a lovely home for Sailor Nancy.
But that there tide is coming in. What'll happen to the castle when the waves come near? If that there tide keeps coming in, watch out, Sailor Nancy.
Oh no, Triggs! The castle walls are starting to fall into the moat. And the shells and feathers too.
Castle walls are falling down. Watch out, the sailors shout. Castle walls are falling down. Take cover, Sailor Nancy.
The tides came in and the waves got closer. Our castle got swallowed up by water. The tide came in and the waves got closer. Farewell to Sailor Nancy.
When you're a raindrop, you just learn to go with the flow.
I really like this guy.
Yeah, well, I think he's boring.
Boring, you say? Me? Well, let me tell you a thing or two about a thing or two. I'm just a wee little raindrop, but I've got stories to tell. Just last week I was up in a thunderstorm, and then I was down in a well. I've jumped through the trees in the jungle, I've tap danced across the waves. I go with the flow where to, who knows, but I'm dancing all the way. Come dance with me, Maddie and Triggs.
Wanna dance, Triggs?
It would be my honor, Maddie. Huh?
Whoa! Yup! Yup!
Yoo-hoo!
Come and dance with me.
I've danced on a happy penguin and tickled a small little nose. I've danced on an African elephant's ears and trickled right down to his toes. I've discoed with dingoes in Darwin, I've swayed with seagulls in Maine. I go with the flow where to, who knows, but I'm dancing all the way.
Rain dance, rain dance, rain dance.
Come and dance with me. I see somebody in this tent who isn't wiggling their toes.
What, me?
Yes, you, Dad.
Come on and dance with us, Mr. S.
It's a bit tight in here for dancing.
Yeah, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Come and dance with us.
Well, maybe I could give it one go.
I've always loved going camping, I've never been fond of a dance. I'd set up my tent and clean as I went, not leaving one detail to chance. But the Weather is something you can't control, and I'm learning to go with the flow. And just like this raindrop, from now on I'll be dancing as I go.
Go, Dad!
Nice moves, Mr. S.
That's the spirit, Mr. Grumpy Pants. Just go with the flow.
Rain dance, rain dance, rain dance. Come rain dance with me.
Well, time for me to be off now. There's a mountain range not far from here that needs a soaking.
Bye, Mr. Raindrop. Thanks for the dance.
Hello.
See you next time, Mr. Raindrop.
Bye-bye now.
Captain Maddie, I'm happy to report that our submarine is operating in tip-top ship shape.
Excellent, Lieutenant Triggs. We can always rely on the Squeezy Wheezy.
The world's first submarine powered exclusively by bubbles.
Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine. My name's Captain Maddie.
And I'm her number 2.
In a squeezy wheezy submarine, we explore the ocean blue.
Each adventure's different, exploring new frontiers.
Discovering new worlds each day by following our ears. Bubbles, bubbles, everybody's blowing bubbles, 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 down in our submarine.
Well, it's all well and good crunching leaves, but some of us live here, you know.
Sorry, Reginald, we had no idea.
If you crunch all the leaves, then where am I going to live? And what am I going to eat?
Doggy biscuits?
I don't think caterpillars eat doggy biscuits, Triggs.
What do they eat then?
What do we eat? Why, crunchy, munchy, delicious leaves, of course. Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please. Oh, look at this tasty, scrumptious leaf. It's my crunchy lunch and also my home. But then you come along like you own each living thing. And you scrunch my leaf up like it's yours to own. Hey, won't you leave my leaf alone? Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please.
Reg, we're very sorry. This leaf is so special and new. If only there was something helpful we could do.
If there was something that you wanted, like doggy bickies or jet skis.
Well, I do like leaves.
That's it, Triggs. You're a genius.
I am?
Reg, we're gonna get you lots and lots of lovely leaves.
Oh, of course, Maddie. That's exactly what I was thinking.
Crunch, crunch, time for lunch. Tasty, scrumptious leaves. Crunch, scrunch, thanks a bunch. Give me all the leaves, please.
Oh, don't worry, Maddie. I'm sure the postman will be here soon with Uncle George's letter.
You really think so?
Well, I sure hope so. Just think of all those stories. The travels, the adventures. Oh, Mr. Postman, have you got our letter? I can't wait to hear all about George's great adventures. Woof! Oh, Mr. Postman, it's so exciting to pretend that I'm a great explorer out on his travels with him. Swimming with wild dolphins, sailing across the ocean. I think I smell the postman coming now.
That's definitely him this time, Triggs. Triggs, quick!
Hello, Mr. Poe. Oh,
Milkman's here. Is your mum or dad in, please?
Listen to the sound of the old factory.
it sounds like a big space robot.
Whoa, space robots!
Okay, everyone, we're nearly out of the park and we're going to be joining the other traffic, okay?
We're ready, Dad. It's time to get on the intergalactic superhighway.
Yes.
Just, don't forget to check for traffic and signal, Mr. S.
Of course, Triggs. Here we go.
Woof, woof.
Blast off in 3, 2, 1. Cruising like a comet on the superhighway, shooting like a rocket, a galaxy far away. Here we go into the great unknown. Where will the adventure take us? No one knows. Flying through deep space and sailing through the cosmos. Aliens point the way. Automatic robots on our own. A journey so far from home. Daring like a bright laser beam. Here we go. Here we go. La 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 la.
These are the adventures of Maddie and Triggs. Oh, and Daddy as well. Don't forget about Daddy. Intergalactic explorers. Flying through space. Exploring new frontiers. And side ears, and noses, and doggy paws, and oh look, a doggy bikini. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Dee-doo-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo.
Whee! Mission Control, we have landed safely at school.